iBot is more than just a chatbot. He lives inside your Moodle site and helps learners make sense of their content the moment they need it.
Hi, I'm iBot. Ask me questions, and I'll help you make sense of your course content.
Ask a question, and he pulls answers directly from your course material, the same way a patient tutor would sit beside you and explain things step by step.
This page is so long. iBot, can you summarize it for me?
Absolutely. Here's a short summary of the key points from this page.
Long page, iBot turns it into a clean, quick summary you can absorb in seconds. Confusing acronyms or tricky concepts, he spots them automatically and gives simple explanations with a single tap.
I found some key terms on this page. Tap anyone to see what it means.
When you want to dig deeper, iBot can even build a personalized mini course from the material you already have, guiding learners through the topics that matter most. iBot isn't just a chatbot. He answers clearly, summarizes instantly, highlights what's important, and creates custom learning paths, all from your Moodle content.
Open iBot and start learning smarter.